MARS stands for Modular Artificial Reef Structure. When used in conjunction with coral farming, MARS provides a rigid skeleton for transplanted corals to grow, where they can be eventually transplanted back onto natural reefs. The complex structure provides habitat for a number of other reef species, such as fish and mollusks. Because 3D printing is so affordable now, it's helped us have the flexibility to prototype new concepts quickly and work closely with researchers to develop surface geometries that increase the success of coral transplanting. On Summer Island in the Maldives,
They don't actually have any natural reef on this specific site, they just have sand bottom.
so what we're doing there is creating a reef where there never has been one. So it's really pretty special. So what they've been doing there over the last couple of years is they've been growing corals. It's amazing. They have basically like an underwater field of corals. And we're going to be using some of those to transplant onto the MARS structure. I think there's some really interesting research happening around the world looking into genetically engineered corals that can survive the rising ocean temperatures. And I think that's something that should really get people excited and give them some hope.